Hello again and welcome to the next video for Amazon Selling Hustle. In this video, we are going to quickly set up a Gmail account and we are going to set up an Amazon affiliate marketing account. So let's get right into that. Now, you probably already know how to set up a Gmail account. Just make sure you go to Gmail, go to Google, top right, click Gmail, and you want to set up a Gmail account under the name of your brand or under the name. Yeah, I would use your brand. So set up a new Gmail account, add account under the name of your brand. Okay. So we don't want to sign in. We want to create a new account. We want to use our product brand name. So you can go with, let's just add in here, Coach Respect. We'll call our brand Amazon Selling Hustle at gmail.com. You want to set it up for your brand because you want to use this email when you create some marketing platforms. Now, some people don't like to have multiple email accounts. If you want to use your regular email account, that's fine as well. That's totally up to you. I just like to personally create a separate one for the ones that I'm going into. We'll create a password. Birthday. I'll get through all this. Okay, so once you've gone through those steps, it'll bring you to the welcome screen. Again, you want to have that for communications between your customers and yourself. You're going to also need a Gmail account because you're one of the there's multiple marketing strategies that we can do for free that you're going to learn in the next 3 or 4 videos. Setting up a Facebook page, setting up an Instagram account for your niche, setting up a Facebook page for your product or your brand. Instagram account, you're going to set up, if you want, you can do a blog channel. If you want, you can do a YouTube channel. Obviously, Google and YouTube are the same. Okay, so now you just click through. And then what you're going to do is you're going to funnel sales using your Amazon affiliate link. You're going to funnel sales through those channels to your Amazon site. And we'll show you how to do those for each one that I mentioned: Facebook, Instagram, a blog, a YouTube, and then at the end we'll talk about Amazon pay-per-click. So now I have my email. Andy from Google is saying hi. I'm all good to go. So now the next thing that I want to set up is an Amazon affiliate link. So we want to go to you can just Google Amazon affiliate. Okay, if you're in the US, just Google Amazon affiliate in the US, or if you're in Canada, same thing for Canada. There becomes an Amazon Associates affiliate program. So you're going to click this link here, and you're going to sign up as an affiliate for Amazon. So what an affiliate is it's free to be, and all it is you now can promote any product on Amazon and earn a small commission up to 10% of the retail price of the product that you promote. So if you're promoting, if you, like today I used the Blue Ice mic and my Logitech camera, and I'm using a Dell laptop, and I'm using an HP printer, and I'm wearing a Toronto Raptors hat. All these products sell on Amazon. I can then go on to Amazon. I have a little affiliate link button that shows up. I can copy the link and I can paste it in my videos. I can create a Facebook ad using the link for my product specifically. I can use them in my WordPress blog when I make recommendations for certain things, all that type of stuff. So when people click on that, if they ultimately buy from you, you'll receive a commission. Might be 4%, might be 5%, 6%, 10% of whatever they buy during that time. Do they have to buy the product that you're advertising? Nope. As long as you drive traffic to Amazon, they may click this razor, but ultimately buy this hairdryer. And if they do, as long as they went through your link and bought within a certain period of time, you'll still get that commission for whatever it is that they purchased. So join. It's easy and free to join. Get up and running today. Just one approval to join. No third party. So advertise. Choose from over 1 million products to advertise to your customers, whether you're a large network, content, or site blogger. We have simple linking tools, and earn up to 10% in advertising fees. Earn advertising fees from qualifying purchases. Plus, our competitive conversion rates help you. So get started right here. Just click that link. They'll ask you for some information. Fill out the information, and they give you a lot of tools as well. I'm already signed up, so we'll go right into my Amazon account. There we go. And there you go. Once you're signed up and you log on to your Amazon account, you're going to see this Amazon Associates site strip. Okay, so in the Amazon Associates site strip, this is where you're going to get different kind of links that you can use. Let's say you have a website. You can go, okay, what's my product? It is an exercise ball. I'll just choose anyone's because my product's actually not on here live. So let's say this is my product right here. Okay, this is my product right here. Now, once I'm on my product, I can then get a text image. I can share a text. So if people just click the link, I click that. Oops, let's click that. Here we go. This is the link right here. I can go copy the link, and now I have it copied. So when I send a message, I can send that link. If people want to buy it, I can go onto my Facebook, create a Facebook ad for it. I have the link. So that's how you get the link. If you have a website, you can get this, which is HTML, and embed it. You can different sizes and different images. Okay, there's even a platform. You can get text plus image. So there's more of a side view text plus image style. So if you have a website and you want to embed some stuff into there, or if you have a blog and you want to embed some stuff into there, some blogs allow you to do it, some blogs don't. I believe WordPress does. WordPress.org allows you to do your affiliate links in there, but double check with the blog site that you're going to use. I know Blogger probably doesn't, so a few different ones don't. So that's how you do, obviously, set up a Gmail account, and that's exactly how you set up an Amazon affiliate account. So get those two things done, and then proceed to the next video if you want to learn about how to advertise on Facebook.